What is your name and where do you live? What were your most recent purchases? Where are you now and what is your profession? Companies are processing more and more personal data. For this reason, the European Union is reforming data protection laws. This also affects your company. By May 25, 2018, you must have implemented the standards of the EU General Data Protection Regulation. Failure to comply with the regulation could mean high penalties. Up to 20 million euros, or 4% of your global turnover, whichever is higher. The regulation requires data protection to be part of your daily business activities. For example, in developing new products, introducing new marketing or sales measures, or using new technologies. Most importantly, the law requires a high level of transparency for companies that store and process personal data. Reality is somewhat different, however. Data is spread across different IT applications throughout the company. Marketing uses it for mailing campaigns, accounting uses it for invoicing, and human resources processes data related to employees and job applicants. At Software AG, we've developed a framework which allows you to work through all of the legal requirements and build a solid foundation for sustainable compliance. Using automated surveys, you can gather all of the relevant information from employees who handle personal data. This data is stored in a record of processing activities, as the regulation requires. At a glance, you can see the type of data processed by your company, which business processes are involved, and which IT systems are used. You can monitor how well sensitive data is protected and improve areas that need it. Risk management is just as important. Software AG's framework supports you in implementing internal risk assessments, data protection impact analysis, and in reacting to privacy breaches. In case of data loss or corruption, you can find out very quickly which systems are affected and initiate an appropriate response. You want to report on compliance activities and progress on data protection measures? No problem. At the push of a button, you can create reports for top management or supervisory authorities. Make sure your company is ready for the General Data Protection Regulation. For this, it is essential that all of the relevant stakeholders work together: the business departments, project teams, IT, the data protection officer. Software AG's framework is the central hub where everything comes together. Contact us if you want to know more.